Okay, I'm going to show you how to set up your Giggletech device. In this video, I'll be demonstrating it on the Giggle Spark, but please be aware, it is exactly the same process as doing it with your Giggle Puck. Now, first things first, we're going to power up our Spark or Giggle Puck with a USB-C. I'll be using the Giggle Puck, and we'll plug it in, and we get those three little LEDs. Now, if your device that's all your device does, that is okay. It blinked here because this device is already working on my home test network. Now, we want to put this into configuration mode. And to do that, we're going to power cycle it once, and we're going to power cycle it another time until that LED goes solid white. The device is now in configuration mode, and we can set it up on our network. Okay, now I am on my phone, and I'm going to identify the Giggletech haptics, and we're going to connect to it. Now, please use a password, Giggletech, all lowercase, one word. Now we are signed in. Now, if you are not greeted by this screen, go to the 192.168.4.1 on your phone web browser. Okay, now we're going to go to the configuration screen, and you'll be greeted with something that looks very like this. Now, this device is set up on my test network before shipping out. So what we'll do under the SSID is remove this field, and I'm going to go get rid of this password as well. And I want you to find your home Wi-Fi name and click that, and then we're going to fill in with the password, and then I'm going to get you to uncheck Use static IP. Most use cases, we can use the auto IP settings and go from there. Now we're going to click save, and we're going to wait for our device. And you can see our Giggle Spark here has indicated that it's saved and now into its normal operation mode. Now, because we changed the IP settings, what I'm going to go ahead and do is power cycle the device to make sure all those configurations have updated and changed in the software on our Giggle Spark. We'll wait for it to vibrate, and we are good to go, and we'll look on to our computer. We're going to navigate to giggletech.local on our PC. We're going to hit enter and give it some time, and we'll get this Giggletech IP address. Now we're going to copy the IP address and go over to our Giggletech server files and go to config.yaml and go edit. Now we can see here, we go to device 1, and we're going to paste our IP address in here, click save, and then we're going to minimize this, and we're going to open up our Giggletech server. Here we go, it's now running, and we're going to run our Giggletech VRC simulator. Now, if everything's working correctly, we can now press enter, and our device now responds to our computer. We'll keep running through the software to max power, and that's it. We are done configuring our Giggletech device, and is now ready to use with VR chat.